Hello, welcome to Unboxing with Bill. My name is Bill Hirschinger. I'm the Director of Engineering at Standard Electric. Today we have a special guest from Hubbell. His name is Robb Hoppe.
Thank you, sir.
How long have you been with Hubbell now, Rob?
I've been with Hubbell 13 years now.
Seems like yesterday, doesn't it?
It does. Some days it seems like 130 years. Today,
well, the guys that I know that you work with, I would probably agree.
It's
with
not
you
for everyone.
Yeah, you guys are awesome, though.
Thank you, sir.
So you brought us something today. Let's see what we have.
All right, I did. Hubbell is very proud of our new product.
Really?
It is a kind of a redesign. Hey, we thought we could do something better, so we tried. We normally don't come out with something new unless it's faster, safer, easier, stronger, better, cheaper.
So it's like a disconnect switch.
It's exactly what it is, sir. It is a redesign of our very popular DS series disconnect switch, non-metallic enclosure. If you're familiar with our traditional version in a rectangular housing, you will see some very strong similarities with a couple of very major differences.
Yeah, the nice slope top.
The slope top is designed specifically for our food service customers. They're looking for water runoff. They are looking for the ability to be able to hose this down. It's got standoffs for the feet so that water will run off behind as well as off both sides.
So little feet would plug into these, and depending on how you want to mount it.
You got a lot of different configurations with the mounting feet.
I take it there's some goodies in here. I see LEDs, it looks like. On
There
the
are.
front
There
here.
are. The LEDs are a phase indication notification for your customers. It is a diagnostic for your maintenance crew, for whoever might be working on a motor that goes down. It is a quick early indication of, hey, I wonder what's going on with this motor. Whatever their protocols are, go to the MCC, go to the breaker box. You can take a quick look at the disconnect and see, hey, I've got power coming in, but I don't have power going out on this leg.
So I see that looks like your power connector just plugs in.
Exactly.
Pressures into these.
So this is where the changes come into place.
That's awesome.
First thing is the round top. That was a big deal for us. Second thing is we now offer captive screws because it seems like every time one of these get dropped and you can't find it, they shut down a food service plant. Exactly.
You know?
So captive screws. We now put the gasket in the cover where we used to put the gasket in the housing, so that whenever you replace a cover, you replace and get a brand new gasket.
That's neat.
So that's neat. And then, of course, you pointed out our phase indication connections and power are accomplished simply by some plungers here that fit in right in the top of the disconnect. And when you close the cover and crank it down, you will then see power indication, line, and load side
So will
power.
it matter if I'm doing 230 or 480 here?
It is not. This is all the way up to 600 volt.
And this will automatically adjust and not burn out your
Correct.
LEDs?
Correct, because that's actually a low voltage connection.
Okay.
So this design is available in 30, 60, and 100 amp. Available at standard. We've got a lot of great customers that are using these and looking to offer up a new option to those new customers and existing customers as well.
I'm having issues, but you just have to line it up.
That's all you got to do. And once you are lined up and in the on position, you cannot take the cover off. You actually have to have the handle in the off position to be able to remove the cover so that you can't grab a
Electrocute
line
yourself.
circuit. Correct. And if this were at all easy, it would be done right now.
Good thing we're not in the field much.
That's right. That's right.
Well, you guys, contact your account managers for more information on this product. It's awesome. And let Rob know too, because he can help you out and the rest of your crew.
Absolutely.
Throughout the
Team of Hubbell is ready to
the
take care
tri-state area.
of all of our customers.
So thank you very much. And we'll see you on another Unboxing with Bill. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.